Hey guys, it's Sarah. Sorry if it's a little dark in here, but
so me and Sarah just bought a slime box.
we're not going to show you the address, but here it is. It says fragile.
Fragile.
And okay, so let's just open it up. We already cut it.
We already peeked inside because we didn't know what it was at first.
Yeah, we wanted to make sure it wasn't like one of those actual. Okay.
Sin says open first. I'll read you read that.
Oh yeah.
So I will stop a teaspoon.
Okay, show them the note first. So it says, what does it say? Fruity party. So yeah, fruity party.
Thank you so much for purchasing, Sarah and Miley. I'm so sorry it took so long to ship and get to you. I only saw your order last minute and I got it out as soon as I could. I decided since you waited so long, I would give you my best 3 slimes. The slimes included our banana putty. Banana putty. Does that mean she used putty today? Is that why it's so hard?
I think it is because it does feel like putty, but it's still like good.
Isn't that the only one that we tested?
Yeah.
I wonder if they're all going to be like that.
I kind of don't.
Look at that jawline, though.
Okay, keep going.
Cheekbone. Cheekbone, jawline. My jawline is kind of bad. Oh,
Dimple.
this is my cheekbone.
Dimple.
Banana putty, strawberries and cream, and lastly grape. I hope you love them. We love one of them right now because we haven't tried the rest of them. I also included some borax. If your slime melts, I'm just going to finish the sentence.
Okay. Where does it end? Oh, it's right here. So that's good. I'll just read a little. What?
Whoa, that's a lot. Hello. I also included some borax. If your slime melts or becomes too sticky, take a teaspoon of the borax. Provided, mix. I put it. I was like, where did I go? Provided, mix it with hot water and stir it, and put a little bit in at a time, in the slime at a time, and knead it until it's to the right texture.
All right. Also, if your slime gets too sticky and you can't use borax, stick it in the fridge for about an hour. If your slime is too stiff, put it in the sun till it's not stiff anymore. Lastly, I hope you and your family have an amazing holiday season. Thank you for purchasing from
Bree Does Slime. Shout out to you, girl.
And have an amazing holiday season.
She did like a little kissy face thing.
Or like a heart thing. Yeah. But I should have said this at the beginning. You could have skipped that part because it's not really important. But that's okay. Because, you're done with it already. So we're going to test this one last since we have already opened it. Oh, and she also gave us some candy. Because
me and her kind of rated that.
Yeah.
When we opened it, we saw it. We're like, oh my god.
We promise you we only... Oh my god. Oh, wow.
It's a little messy.
But that's okay.
Cute, though.
Oh, it has a little borax sticker. Like it's a little borax.
Oh, okay, apparently the people that ship this do not know what fragile means. Bro.
That's okay. But
it's just got all over my
we only opened the banana and this because candy. We have to. I'm sorry, but okay. So we're gonna open. Oh my gosh, we're gonna open the strawberry first. Hold on, let me show them this. This is so. It's adorable. I love how they're little stickers. Let me show them.
It's freaking cracked.
Oh, this is so soft.
I know.
Oh my god.
It's like the best now.
Wait, and look, did you not notice this? It has like glitter in it. So it's like the
now.
drops. I'm gonna take a little piece to play with.
I know now. This one clicks really well. Texture is definitely a 10 out of 10.
I can tell they put like butter in it.
Yeah.
Not butter. What is it called?
Okay, so I'm not sponsoring.
Clay.
I'm not We're obviously not sponsored by this, but maybe if you see this, you could totally sponsor us.
Yeah.
But Wish is actually really cool. I'll show you things that I have in my cart. I'm obviously not showing you my stuff.
So, by the way, this smells like strawberry yogurt pretty much. It smells good. Like Danimal's strawberry drink.
Okay, now let me just connect to the internet. Because it
We'll
gets turned off
get
every
to
day.
Wish in a second. Okay, so she's trying to get the internet up so we can show you the Wish. But go ahead and like this video before she shows us the Wish app. So go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on the bell to see more of my videos, because obviously if you don't turn on the bell, you won't be able to see the rest of my videos. So please do that. Alright, so now I'm going to switch to the grape. So, okay, and she's here too. So, where's the next for this?
We really just had Sarah and Miley for the thing. It says mine.
Okay, so here's the grape. Grape. It's the grape.
No. You still have your hotspot on?
I'll check.
6:19.
Okay, so the grape smells pretty good, but I think the strawberry probably smells the best.
It's the best one.
Let's
too.
go ahead and go to the banana. Okay.
This is the banana one. It's actually a lot.
Yeah, it
harder.
does. It does feel a lot like putty. I don't know if you can tell, but like it has like a putty look to it almost.
Next video, we're gonna be doing ASMR.
Yes. Okay, guys. So that was the banana, strawberry, and grape. So please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. And bye.